Hi, and welcome to Carolina Women. We are here today at Custom Audio Video. Anthony, our intern, is here, Maria's here, and Ian is here salivating over this delicious looking stuff. Shannon, Alford, super excited to see you. We see each other all the time, and she is my inspiration. Highly educated, highly intelligent, and really takes care, you take care of yourself. And you, one of the things that I've always admired about you is you are an eater. You eat food.
A lot.
And you have great ways of presenting it. She's got 3 children also, and I just think this is ingenious, and I think it's something that a lot of moms, really a lot of people could take heed and do and make food and eating a little easier. So share with us a little bit about your mason jar eating.
Well, I found that it was just more aesthetically pleasing in the refrigerator, and so that the kids and my husband, they wanted to take it out and then take it with them and eat. And I was able to get their fruits and veggies in them just because for some reason, having it in a mason jar, it looked more aesthetically pleasing. They didn't have to take it out of a bag.
Exactly.
They didn't have to prepare it. It was like ready to go, washed, and they were out the door.
Exactly.
And for their lunch boxes, it worked out well.
And for their lunch, it's funny because I know her kids, and the kids would come and Lila would have this delicious looking salad and she'd just dump it out and eat it. No brainer and healthy. Why is this important, and how do you do it? How do you actually layer these? Talk to us a little bit about specifically.
All of this just to let everyone know, this all took about 35 minutes to do all of this.
Okay.
And I do buy the lettuce that's already pre-washed 3 times. And so I kind of lay it all out and I just layer it. We're making sure that the protein is at the bottom with the dressing.
Okay.
And then I just layer the veggies on like this is more like a taco salad.
Okay.
And then you can also do like the little, these would get soggy if they were in there. So this little container, you can, you dump the ingredients into a bowl.
Sure.
And then you put this on the top.
Look at this.
This is more like a Mediterranean. Now this is salmon in the bottom with the dressing.
Oh.
Now this one here is like 40 grams of protein, and this dressing is skinny girl dressing. So this is like just such a great hearty meal, and you're getting, look at that, you're getting 2 to 3 vegetables already in there. That was my whole thing, was to push veggies into my kids.
I think, right, exactly. And I think people feel like you have to starve to be in shape, but these are pretty healthy amounts.
Well, and the fact that you're not, if you take time to do it, oh yeah, and this is a ready-made, this is hard-boiled eggs, so this is like 12 grams of protein, this is like the organic eggs, and it's just awesome. It's just up and ready to go.
I love,
so,
and this is our turkey.
Yep, and then this is probably the biggest hit with my boys, and these are big boys, and I do the fruit, the yogurt, and I do put a peanut butter powder in here for me, but for them, I go full guns and I put like regular peanut butter.
Okay.
And then I have a fruit on top. This is huge in my house. And then they also they like to put this on top, the Purely Elizabeth granola. So this is like so great. It's fruit and a protein, and they think this is like ice cream. So,
but
I mean, of course they like the ice cream, but this is like a better choice.
Well, exactly.
And they wouldn't do it if it wasn't made.
Well, and I think what's so interesting about this is it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's easy to grab. And what's this?
So this is celery with hummus at the bottom, and this is great for my daughter's lunchbox. She will get she would not get the celery in otherwise if it wasn't presented. I mean, I'm just saying, it's just aesthetically pleasing. It's fun.
It really is.
And the containers are fun to fill. It looks pretty in your refrigerator. Now, they don't really care about that, but my main thing is I want to get fruits and veggies in them. And
but do they not care? Because I'm sitting here going, I think it would make it easier to eat a salad if I knew I just had to do this.
Oh, and all you do is you dump it in a bowl.
Yeah,
That's it.
talk to everybody about how you've layered this, because I think it's really interesting.
So it is important because you don't want your lettuce to wilt. So you put your protein in the bottom with your dressing, and then I would say your vegetables or your legumes that are more that are hard, and then I put the lettuce at the top. And I mean, I jam as much lettuce as I can. So this will really feel like a good sized pasta bowl. So I mean, this is a big salad.
Right, it's a hearty salad.
And sometimes, you may eat it all, you may not. I eat it all, but I want something that's, got a lot of protein, but also a lot of veggies. So I try to really just layer it, but you got to make sure that your lettuce is on the top.
I think Shannon you're an underestimated young lady because you look so great, but you have a master's in gerontology. You are an instructor of fitness, if you will. You work with a lot of Parkinson's people, so it's amazing. I appreciate you taking time out of your schedule today to kind of show us how you can eat healthy, eat beautifully, eat quickly, and just grab and go. I love it.
And make sure you get one of these.
Oh yes, that's like a funnel for that. Stay with us, there's more to come on Carolina Women.